Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you an interesting nude palette that I received from Huda Beauty. It's called the Huda Beauty Nude palette right here. Use this palette to achieve this look right here. I know I'm looking funny right now because I'm wearing the veil that came with the palette and the robe. But I'm quite impressed about the palette's layout. It's very interesting that you get glitter. It has three textures. There is satin soft matte, those are the matte shades, and there is multi-reflective pearl. Those are the four shades right there. They have glitter reflex to them, but they're called multi-reflective pearls with eye coverage metallic foils and reflective pearl flakes for a multi-dimensional finish, which is what I am using right now on my lids. I hope you guys can see that. I use that on my lids and they are quite amazing. The glitter shades apply really well. The palette came with 3 brushes and I used all the brushes that came with the palette to achieve this look right here. I am quite impressed about the fact that the shades are very pigmented and very nice. I'm just gonna swatch one of those buttery shades for you guys to see. This is the first one and this is the shade called Charmed. I'm gonna swatch Charmed right here. Look at that, guys. The shades are metallic and you know they have foil. They are metallic foils and you can see how glowy they look right there. So these are the metallic shades. This is what it looks like. I'll swatch one of the matte shades for you guys to see right there. That's just one swatch. Guys, pardon my swatching pattern. You guys already know that I'm not very good with swatches, but I'm quite impressed with the pigments of this eyeshadow. I like the fact that the color that she included in this palette, you know, complements each other really well. So if you're going for a nude look, then you have all your neutrals to work with, and if you're going for, you know, like if you're going to add a bit of spice to your look, then you have all the red tones and the brown tones in the palette as well, you know, to give you that pow eyeshadow look. One thing I like about this palette is the fact that you can achieve as many looks as you like with this palette. Like seriously, you have a transitional shade, you have your dark shade, you have your, you know, shimmery shades, and you also have your glitter shades in case you want to add a bit of sparkle to your look, which is quite amazing. And also like the fact that the foil shades apply really well on the lids. You don't need to use your hand. You can use your brush or you can use the applicator that came with one of the brushes, so it went on really well. I actually used that to apply the glitter shade and the metallic foil shade on my lids, so you don't have to use your hand if you don't want to, which is quite a plus for me. Another thing I noticed about the palette is the fact that it's the same size, the same design with the with our previous palette, so there's nothing to worry about in terms of the size of the palette. It's travel friendly. The thing that's obvious about the palette is the fact that packaging is nude, so I was quite worried about the fact that it might get dirty easily, but it was very easy to clean, so that's a bonus for me. Look at the metallic foil shades, guys, and the matte one there. See, it's just one swipe without primer, and that's what I got from it. I'm quite impressed, and in my opinion is definitely a must-have for a nude collector. You would definitely like this. I will be featuring this palette more for you guys to see the looks that you can achieve with the palette. So if you're looking to get one, then I'm quite impressed with the pressed glitters as well. The pressed glitters applied easily. There was no fallout whatsoever, and you guys are going to see that, which I'm quite impressed about, because I was actually worried about pressed glitters, but I remember the fact that she had one in a previous video, which works really well, and this one is similar, if not this one is very, very similar to that. The battery of my camera is going to go off right now, guys, but if you're interested in knowing how I achieve this look, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.